Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to transfer TON from Bybit to your Telegram wallet. Now, let me just say the transferring of the funds part of this is rather straightforward, as with other wallet or exchange transactions. However, what isn't straightforward is how to find your wallet in Telegram in the first place. And so I will briefly go over how I myself went to set up my Telegram wallet. Once you search for Telegram on Google, it will give us their main site. Once you click on their main site, it will ask you to link your device with a QR code. Because in my case, I wasn't able to immediately find my wallet from the mobile app, so I wanted to do it on my PC. After linking your device to their site, you will be immediately brought here. But the wallet here would not be immediately accessible. There is a bot to open the third-party wallet. And what you actually have to do is to search for Telegram wallet, and this link, wallet.tg, is where you have to go. Once here, you'll be brought to this page and simply click on Open Wallet. And then from here, it will ask you to open Telegram on the desktop. I have installed the desktop version, and since I was able to set it up, only then will you have the options to open in web. Now once here, you can simply click open from our left hand panel or right down below beside the chat box. And finally, here is our Telegram wallet. Now there is another step to consider when you tap on add crypto. Since as it's shown here, I am in an unsupported region, I would have to get verified. And in my case, I would have to provide a national ID and a proof of address. Currently, I have neither of these, as I have a passport for my ID. But if you already have your wallet registered, all you have to do is find the deposit crypto and then look for TON. And then once you're on that page, simply go to your Bybit and then hover over to assets, click on withdraw. And then from here, search for TON. There is only one network for TON, so you don't have to worry about that. Add a memo. Enter the minimum amount and make sure that whatever memo you typed in here will be the same memo that you have over at your Telegram wallet. The wallet address that we would need would have to come from the Telegram wallet itself. Simply tap on the TON coin. In my case, if I tap receive, I will be back to this unsupported region page. However, you might be seeing the wallet itself. So in your case, you can simply scan the QR code or copy the wallet address and then enter it here on your Bybit withdrawal form. Once that's done, your TON should arrive in your Telegram wallet within a few minutes. Now still, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.